So I'm going to be upgrading my speaker. Just been running a 94 Galaxy. Going with these external. These are the BHI. Got them over at DX Engineering. This is tough with one hand. Well, they definitely package it pretty good. Well, it definitely looks like a heavy-duty speaker. I like it. Let's see if they gave us any wires. Oh, they did. Those are actually pretty nice. All right, let's plug it in. All right, so there we go. Well, I'll be honest, it's definitely easier to hear than the Bose speaker. Definitely an improvement.
572 whiskey. We're drag racing the piss out of a 4-pill and a new incentive week. Whatever they call it. I can just tighten it some more.
Okay, so you may not be able to tell, but this is definitely the better speaker. These are nice, but this is just a clearer speaker. And if you're willing to spend the money, I mean, they're definitely worth it. So anyways, thanks for watching. On to the next.